Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get a animated GIF to be the background of your Google Chrome. So right now we just have a white background. Let's go ahead and go to where it says images at the top right here. Then we want to search for an image. So let's just search for ocean. And we want to go to the top bar here where it says tools and click on type, then go down to GIF. And now we'll have a bunch of different GIFs that we can choose from to be the background of our Google Chrome. Let's go ahead and choose this one right here. So I'm going to right click this and click on save image as. Now you can save this to wherever you want, but basically what we need to do is add the extension .png to the end of this file name here. Then let's go ahead and click on save. Now we need to go back to our Google Chrome page and we need to click on customize Chrome at the bottom right. We want to click on upload from device. We want to select that GIF that we just downloaded here. And now you can see that the background of our Google Chrome is now a animated GIF that we downloaded from Google. I hope this video helped you guys out. If it did, please leave a like, but that's going to do it for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time.